Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kia, giving you another captivating visual. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing Marley Twists. I'm doing this style immediately after another one I did, so my hair is just co-washed, combed out, re-moisturized with some oils, and then parted. You know, the back of your head is the hardest section to do on yourself, so I already knocked that out.
Amazing!
But I will show you how I did it. Alright, right now I'm just sectioning off my hair, back, making it into a smaller part, probably in some product. Okay, the product that I used, it was Creme Nature's Argon oil, and I just, with the Twist and Curl cream, I used that, and then I was like, you know, just really moisturizing it into my hair. And then after I applied that, well, I need a little bit more. It's a little bit dry. And added some gel. I was just adding gel so like all the hairs could like be together in that one part. And yeah, I put the rubber band on. Yeah, I really like how it has my curl pattern. But honestly, I don't know, I shouldn't have probably used the cream. I could probably use something a little bit lighter because it did feel a little heavy on my hair. But I like that though, because that means it was really gonna like form with the hair once I start putting it in. In this section, the hair on the top of my hair, I was trying to like, you know, brick the parts as much as I could see, but man, the parts, those are like the longest part. Once you like, you know, get those parts, try to get it clean as possible, apply your products. And that was the Shine and Jam braider gel. I'm gonna leave my products in the description box. I'm sorry I don't have them with me, right? But yeah, I'll add those below so you could give them a try. Yeah, finally my last part. Ugh, I'm trying to like, you know, leave my little baby hairs out, so I could like play with them when we're all finished up here. Okay, so now once you twist it down, right before you get to the end, try to split the hair into 3 so you can do like another little section of braiding so it can actually stay together. And so you're gonna take that Marley hair and you're gonna split it into 3 strands. and braid it down some more. And after each braid, like pull it a little bit, and so it could really, like, you know, stay tight. Yeah, probably make like 3 to 5 braids, you know, and then you just start twisting the hair back together. And the hair is really easy to like pull apart and, you know, put back together. It doesn't, like, you know, it doesn't cause any no much harm. And then you can't even see, like, at the top or the bottom. It just look like one twist. It just looked like one twist. And then you just twist that on, stretch it out. Get a security. Fill it out. Boom, let it go. And there we are. Yep. Do another one. One more time. So you get the hair. That's how it looks. And comb it out. And you definitely need to clip my ends after I take this style out. Your 2 strands of Marley hair. 1 and 2. Put them together. And try to even them out. Make sure they're as even as possible on each end. Yeah, okay, here. So you're gonna start braiding it. Braid it in with the 2 strands of Marley hair and your natural hair. Braid it down some for security. Braid it down, and then once you did like 3 or 5 braids, you just start twisting it. Start twisting in your real hair. Go ahead and twist that on in. Make sure you don't do them too tight on the edges now. You gotta preserve those. Yeah, but you see right there, I need to clip my ends. But yeah, that's how it is. Once your hair is all the way in, just do that braid again towards the end. Right before you get towards the end, make sure that you do that little braid section so it won't unravel. Do like 3 to 5 of those down at the bottom. And then once you got enough, you feel like it's good, you can start twisting it back up. Stretch it out. Pull on the end. You know, it's still gonna unravel a little bit, but not to the point where it's gonna come apart. So yeah, that's how it's coming. Yeah, I had stopped to make something to eat, and I almost chopped my finger off. So please excuse the cotton band-aid. Just gonna jump right back on into it. Yep, twisting it on down. And you see that braid. I feel like that braid was a really good idea. I was watching another YouTuber, and she did this style, and that was her little tip that she gave, and I used it, and I really freaking love it. I gotta find her YouTube. I gotta find that video, because that was just so smart, especially when you're doing twists. You can't even tell. So yeah, braid that down in the middle, at the top end, and like towards the end, to keep it like together. And twist it. Last one. 2 strands of Marley hair. Your third is your real hair. Braid it in. Then start twisting it down. Braid section, and then twist it back down, and you're done. This is how it looks. The finished product. Yeah. So yeah, I actually end up putting some beads on the ends. Like, it just really brought it out even more. Lay my baby hairs, and we're good to go. Thanks guys. Hope to see you again.